Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by giving the recorder permission and picking the right input. Open Privacy or App Permissions now and enable microphone and system audio access for your recorder. Once done, go to the recorder's audio settings and choose the exact device you want. Built-in mic, external mic, or a virtual audio driver. Don't assume the default is correct. Make sure no other app is holding exclusive control of that device. If one is, close it so the recorder can claim the audio channel. Next, configure the mixer and drivers so audio actually reaches the recorder. Open the system mixer or audio control panel and set recording levels, enabling stereo mix or loopback if you need system sound. This routes desktop audio into the recorder. Then check drivers, update or reinstall Realtek, ASIO, or WASAPI drivers if needed, because corrupted drivers cause silence. If you use virtual audio cables, create a clear route. App output to virtual cable as recorder input, and confirm levels are audible. Finally, test and finalize. Do a short recording of both mic and system audio, then play it back to confirm sound is recorded. If it's still silent, check simple things: mutes, disabled tracks, input selection, and whether an app is using exclusive mode. Match sample rates between devices to avoid incompatibility. If problems persist, restart the recorder and the OS, reset the recorder's settings to default, or try an alternate recording app to isolate whether the issue is app-specific.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.